Welcome to Learn and Practice Video Tutorials. Learn to creating tables. Adjusting properties of fields, setting the primary key, adding data, and deleting data. Disclaimer. This video is aimed at CAT learners who need to keep up with schoolwork during COVID-19 crisis. It is not as polished as I would like it to be, nor is the sound great. Perhaps if it is found to be useful I will improve it in the future. Tips for using. Do it with the video, pause when you need to, slow it down or speed it up with the playback speed. See tips for using videos for lessons.mp4. Click blank database. Click file name text box. Type HTML tags. The file extension is ACCDB. I am saving it in my Documents folder. Where are you saving yours? Click Create. We are going to create a table with this structure. A empty table is created automatically. We going to create the table in Design View. Click Design View. Type tags. We do need to save the structure of a table. So this is the name of the table. Click OK. The table is created with a default field. The field is an auto number, which means it will be generated by Access. It will be unique within the table. In Access, every table should have a field containing a value that is different for every record in the table, in other words it is unique. The field which will be used to identify the record is called a primary key. The primary key is denoted by the yellow key. But we do not want the default field. Type tag. If ID was not selected, you will need to delete ID first and then type tag. Click data type. Click the down arrow button. Click short text. The table instruction states that we must only allow 10 characters for the tag. Each field has certain field properties that can be set. The first one we will change is the number of characters that we allow in this field. Click field size. Press backspace 3 times to delete the number that is already there. Type 10. Click field name. Type description. The table instruction states description must be short text data type. The table instruction states that we must only allow 100 characters for the description. You can also click and drag to select the text. Type 100. Click the field name. Type close tag. Click data type. Click the down arrow button. Click yes/no. Click close button. We need to save the structure of the table before continuing. Click yes. Double-click tags to open the table. Opens the table in Data Sheet view. Click tag. Press Shift and comma to get the greater than sign. Then type HTML followed by Shift and full stop to get the less than sign. Click description. Type start of HTML document. Click the close tag checkbox. A tick indicates yes. Note that the icon on the side shows we are editing this record. This is the new record icon. Click tag in the new record. Type the greater than sign, body, less than sign. Click description in the new record. Type starts the part of the web page which you can see. Click and drag the border of the column to make it wider. Click tag on a new record. Type head. Type the part of the document which cannot be seen. Click the Close Tag checkbox for the previous record. Click the Close Tag checkbox for the record we have just added. Click Tag on the new record. Type Title. Click Description on this record. Type the tab text. Click the Close Tag checkbox. At the bottom are the record buttons. They allow you to move between records. The text box tells you which record you are editing out of how many. The first button will take you to the first record. The second button just takes you to the previous record in the table. This is the next button and it moves you to the next record in the table. This moves you to the last record in the table. This button adds a new record and moves you to the empty record. Click First Record. Note you are now on record 1 of 4. Click the New button to add another record. Type HR. Click Description. Type horizontal line. HR actually stands for horizontal rule. It does not have a closing tag, so we will not click on Close Tag. Click Tag on the new record. Type H1. Click Description. Type Level 1 heading style. Click the Close Tag checkbox. Can you add the next record? We can make changes to the structure of a table, even after entering data. Click Design View. Click the field name. Type Date added. Press the Tab key. It will move you from field name to data type. Click the down arrow button. Click Date/Time. We can change the format of the date in the properties. Click Format. Click the down arrow button. Click Medium Date. Click Field Name. Type Grade added. Click Data Type. Click the down arrow button. Click Number. We want to make it a whole number, so no decimal places. Click Decimal Places. Click the down arrow. Click 0. Click Data Sheet View. But we must first save the table. Click OK. We will add in the information for the records we have already added. Click Date added. Click Calendar icon. Today's date will have a square around it. Click Today. Your today is different to when this video was made. Click Date added of record 2. Click the calendar icon. Click a date, any date. Click Date added for record 3. Click the calendar icon. Add dates for the rest of the records. Click Grade added for record 1. Type 10. Click Grade added for record 2. Type 11. Fill in the grade added for the rest of the records. Click Design View. There are times when you want to change the field which uniquely identifies a record. Click Field Name. Type Record No. Click Data Type. Click the down arrow button. Click Auto Number. Click the gray block next to row 1. Click the Primary Key button. This removes the primary key from that field. Click Record Number. Click the Primary Key button. This makes record number the primary key. Click Data Sheet View. Click the Yes button. Note that the values have automatically been added. Click the tag field for the new record. Type P. Note the auto number gets its value automatically and it is the next number. Click description. Type paragraph. Click the close tag checkbox to set it to yes. Click date added. Click the calendar icon. Click a date. Click grade added. Type 10. Press tab. Moves you to record number. Press tab. This moves you to the tag field on a new record. Type HTML. Click description. Type start of HTML document. Click the close tag checkbox. Click the date added. Click the down arrow button. Click a date. Click grade added. Type 10. Note 9 is auto-generated. Click row 1. Right-click the gray box. Click delete record. Note, once you delete a record it is gone. You cannot undo it. That is why there is always the confirmation message. Click yes. You should now be able to create a table, add fields, change the properties of short text, number, date/time, set the primary key, add records, delete records. Go and do the task database task1.pdf. If you have found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Or leave a positive comment in Google Classroom, smiley face.